been thinking, baby, we could get away and never look back, never look back, never look back, no, never look back, never look back, no. There's no place I'd rather be, 'cause we're gone when you're staring back at me, 'cause we're gone.
Rise and shine. Good morning and welcome back to the William fam. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed. Your post notification is turned on so you can see when we are dropping the vlogs. We drop vlogs every week, so make sure that you are subscribed. I will give you 5 seconds to hit that red subscribe button and join the family. So what's up, guys? Woo, I am just here. I just actually finished editing a vlog for you guys, and you know, internet has been down for the last couple of days, so that is why I have not been posting on my regular schedule because of that. But the house is so quiet. The house is nice and quiet. So yes, oh Lord. So let me show you what the guys are up to. So they are working on taking down the board now. So they're taking down the casting. So that is what they're doing, but it don't look like it want to come down. The yard was freshly cut yesterday. They hear the dog underneath the car. So don't you have to take off that the one there? Oh gosh. So work is in progress. Late than never. Don't jump. Good morning. So that's what they are doing. Mr. William, they try to refrain from doing this back wall. But he doesn't have a choice. I'm going to have to do it. And she puts over there working. I'm doing the other part for, I forgot what they're called. Like, he's building these things here, but he's building like the L and the T's, the ones that go upstairs after for decking. So he's got to build them so they could put them in before they deck upstairs. So that's what they're doing. This one. Oh, how are you so fat? Hello. Look at these. Huh? Ow! Oh my gosh. All they want to do is play. You just scratch me with your nails. They just scratch me with your nails. You guys aren't beating the video light? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Yeah, run? You're running? No, it's not a chew toy. So, oh, let me show you. See, they took off one side of it there. So, oh, look nice and smooth. And there you see the arch. I'm on a job. No look like you don't want to work today.
Hello, take with yourself.
I mean, take with myself. So then pull out this stuff, guys. So this is what it looks like. So then chop it up. So you see part chop up there. So instead of a chop up this side. So that's what it looks like. They ain't chop up there. So that one there, they ain't chop it up. Or the front of this. What they ain't chop up here. So that is what it look like.
How you look like?
Huh? Yeah, get up.
Mario!
How fat you black me be? So I'm about to go.
What? You're not top forcing yourself in which part you can't fit. You can't fit.
I be going too big.
Hello. Why you no move from in front the walkway?
Today, yes.
So I'm about to. I just washed Rissa's hair. So, cause I just washed her hair, I'm about to blow dry it, and I had washed it. I think a day or so before her birthday, but then we went to the beach. So I'm gonna rewash her hair, and I'm going to flat iron. I'm gonna give her a silk press because she asked if she could have her hair straightened. So she's getting her first silk press. So I'm gonna blow dry it and silk press her hair just now. So that is what I'm going to do, and I'll show you guys what it looks like when it's done. So it's our first silk press, guys. So look, I got myself some mangoes, so I'm gonna eat all of this to myself. About what, 5 nights. And we had a whole bag there full. It is a mango season. I'm about to go pitch myself in the hammock. Mario's putting it up. We just got back from playing football, so we had a late start to our day. Oh, Lani Boo's saying hi. You saying hi? Yeah, say hello. Yeah, say hi. Oh, and let me show you guys. Oh, and the car. Oh, car is nice and clean. Nice and clean. You're shining. Oh, pretty. So I cleaned it up. So they took off the other stuff. So there you go. So there's the front. The work has been going on, but you know, we're kind of taking a break. Like I said, we haven't had much of a break since we have been here. We just been on the go, working, dealing with the house. So I'm hoping soon we can go on a vacation. Yes, I know with COVID and everything, but I need that mental break, because even though we've been down here, we've just been going. So we kind of need to go out, go do some stuff as a family and have some family time. The dogs, them coming along. Look at that, the whole gang of them. So we're gonna go, maybe we're gonna go chillax in the hammock. Oh, right now they should be full. I made the made them chicken back on ton meal this morning, so them belly full. Do you see them? They're all chasing money. You see how they big? These guys are big. Let me run from them. Oh goodness. So that's what we are doing. But it kind of look like it might rain because it's cloudy. You see it's dark over there. Let's have to tie up the hammock so we can go sit down in. Sit down. I'm gonna see the ice cream man.
That's your mama.
I don't see no ice cream man. We're gonna can go in now. Eat the mango them. Yeah. So guys, this is my newfound spot. I love to hang out in the hammock. Hi Miko. I say hi. Say hi to the vlog. Miko. Say hi. Look. He's just looking around. So this is my newfound spot. I'm here hanging out. Oh, who in the back over? Oh, we see. Well, I don't come me over there eat. Then make sure they eat out all the chicken back and me cut up the chicken back small. But what? Correct, that's what they did. So I'm just chillaxing. And yes, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Make sure you guys are subscribing. You're sharing up the vlogs. Yes. So guys, I finished eating all of my mango. I'm just here laying in the hammock same way, chilling with Lani Boo and Amico. You say hi?
Hi. I'm gonna jump.
If y'all understand what he just said, let me know. You find it funny? You get joke, Amico?
Fun joke.
Yeah, you get joke? Huh? Oh Lord.
The fit car.
I know. We're just here singing what? Something about tutu la la la.
Do do la la la. Do do la la la. Do do la la la. Do do la la la. Do do la la la.
So we're just enjoying our evening.
Do la la la. Do do la la la.
I got this one that come back from Mango Bush.
La la. Do do la la la.
And he's sitting there.
They get mango. La la. Do
Oh, run home.
la la la.
They say, Daddy.
Yay! Daddy home! Can't say Daddy right there.
They say, Daddy come.
He's coming.
They say, Uncle come.
Uncle.
Yeah.
Uncle running come.
Uncle come.
Daddy come!
Lord have mercy.
Make it fit.
Then go deaf me. Oh Lord.
Daddy come.
What's cooking? Nothing good looking.
Nothing good.
It's good looking. Oh gosh. You tired, Miko? You come back me on. So we soon have to go. Well, I don't know if it's going to rain. It looks like it's going to rain because it's very cloudy. But I think we're gonna go watch maybe tonight the new Mortal Kombat because it's out.
That beep.
Mortal? Is it Mortal Kombat? It's a be a Mortal Kombat. Look, he's trying to say it. Say Mortal Kombat. I can't say it. I'm sure he can't say it either. Oh gosh. Uncle Mario. Oh. Oh my. And Uncle Mario that's Uncle Rallin. I mean Uncle Ruan. Say Uncle Mario there. Oh Lord. I'm missing my little man as well. I'm missing my little nephew Troy. I haven't seen him in a bit. His little troublemaking self. But I miss him. I have to go. Maybe go look for him one day.
A lot of rough fears we see. No point we left now. We can't sink on the Titanic. Fight for you, you fight for me. Die for you. Remember when them tell us that me couldn't be the wife for you. That inna the past and we pass it just like an interlude. How them meet and how them greet is like real life an interview. That inna the days and now it's every day.